That'd be the electric.
Oh, sweetie, there you go. Okay, good girl. Hello, babies. Hello. Hello, sweeties. There you go, now. There we are. Hello, little one. You can eat some of Mummy's food. Eh? Good girl.
Get this electric on.
I'm coming. Hey, hey, number 2. Your babies are all out. You've got your babies out. You're a brave girl today. Right? Hey. Hello, babies. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. It's extra for you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on. Don't round me up. I'm not a cowboy. Watch, because I'm going to put it down. There we are. These are like cowboys and Indians. They round you up. Okay. Right. There we are. Okay. Now the last ones, I've got the 4 girls to do at the other end. Okay, honeys. Enjoy your breakfast. Four girls and 3 boys, that's good. Hello, little ones. Hello, little ones. Right. Now, we better get some water into here because it's going to be a very hot day. Get all the wallows filled. Right, Una, I'll go and get the wallows filled for you. You can have a shower.